This is the special car. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Upbeat Ez. So today we are going to be using these really cool cars and putting a access all lift kit. So all cars can use this lift kit. We're going to put all these cars on there, but most cars, if they have wheels like this, where they use a certain piece for them, we'll show you the piece in the middle of the video, but let's get into the video. This is the lift kit you are going to be building. First, you're going to be building the back axle. Put the pin in the middle of both of the smallest, how many holes are in those? 5 hole, whatever they're called. You can see what they are. I don't have the definition for them. When it's done, your back axle should end up looking somewhat like this, adding the wheels on last, and your yellow spacers to hold them in place on both sides. This is your back axle. This is what it should look like when it's done. Now, moving to the next hardest, so hard part, the middle. First, we're going to show you how it connects. All you need is those two pieces. Okay, put them in the farthest end on that, I don't know what it's called. Pin holder, I don't know. When you have that in place, the middle of your lift kit is done. Now, the last part of this is the front of the lift kit. The pieces you need are these ones. Okay, now we're going to show you how to build them. Now, when your lift kit is done, it should look like this. Now we are able to move on to showing how the cars work with them. The first car we're going to be modifying is the Chevrolet Camaro. We'll show you the full car, see what it looks like. Then we're going to show you with what it looks like with all the wheels off, and when the Liftkit is about to be on. As you can see, this is what the car looks like with everything open, so you can see the inside of it. So these are the parts that we're going to be using on the mod. So you can choose your own parts, but let's show you what it looks like. So you have your Liftkit. Oh, oops, technical difficulties. Have your Liftkit and all the wheels that are off. When your car is fully modified, it should look like this. You can choose to add on the top lights, and the grille in the front, if you would like, and the exhaust thing. I don't really know what it's called. But this is what it should look like when it's done. This is what it should look like when it's done. On to the next car. This is the next car you're going to be modding. This is the police jail transport truck. Here's the Liftkit. This Liftkit is mostly universal. Only for a few types of cars it wouldn't fit, but most other ones it will. Let's get to modding now. This is with the mods on the car. As you can see, the Liftkit looks really cool. It can go forward, and it can be back. We preferably like it forward because it looks cooler. It looks pretty cool how it is. If you want to, you can make this mod. It's really simple. Now on to the next car. This car is a Ferrari F8 Turbo. We added some police lights on it to make it look cool. Now let's see it with the mod. For this mod, it was a little bit different because we had to take off the back spacer between the axle and the rear because this car is a little bit wider. The Ferrari F8 Turbo. It looks really cool. So there's basically, in the same term as the other one was, there's two modes. Kind of forward. Looks cool. And then kind of backwards, where you put this on the back. It looks kind of cool. And then if you put it forward, yeah, so since they're not connected in the back, it's individual. So if you wanted to, you can make it look like it was dancing. Next car. This is an off-road racer. We're going to see it with the mod. This car almost looks like it was designed to have a Liftkit. It looks really good. You can see as in the front, you can push the front down and the back kind of looks like it's coming up. Looks kind of cool like that. Then you can push the back down and do the exact opposite. Also looks kind of cool. Another funny thing is you can put both wheels up and make it look like a boat. There we go. It looks like a boat. Or upside down driving. Okay, let's take off the back, spoiler. And it's a back upside down driver. Next car. Okay, this is to the next car. Let's put it on the lift kit. And go. This is this car with the lift kit on it. It looks really cool. Another thing to add is how it can move as like the other one could. Knock this off the person. Scorpion. So, on to the next car. And keep in mind, the last card is a surprise and you didn't see it in the beginning. It's gonna look really cool. This is the fire chief truck. This is gonna look really cool with the lift kit. Especially how you can put it forward and backwards with the lift kit on. Let's do it. This is the fire chief with the lift kit. It looks really cool. It can go forward and backwards, like I said. Here's forward. Here's backwards. It looks really cool. Here's the fire chief. Let's go to the next car. This is the special car. Again, it's going to awesome. I'm gonna say this twice since it's a special car. But this car looks really cool. These people are gonna go on a family vacation. It needs a little bit of a boost. Let's put a lift kit on it, shall we? Oh, it didn't work. This is the special truck we've been all waiting for. You can see it looks really cool. So the original didn't have this lift kit, but we put the axle on the front because I think it goes really well with the color scheme. The way that it can lean forward and back was awesome. These people are gonna have a great family vacation. Thanks for watching the video, and please like and subscribe.